Hey there! Are you out of ideas for your next Instagram story? Check out these 3 eye-catching yet simple ideas, and there's even more to come in the upcoming video, so make sure to stay tuned. What's up everyone, it's Alexa and I'm here to share with you every week the latest strategies and tips about social media and how to grow your brand and business online. Make sure to keep in touch and catch the latest videos. So let's get straight to the point. Idea number 1. How to create a video background for your Instagram story. It looks gorgeous, it's super easy to do, and it's definitely going to stop people from scrolling away. Start by choosing your video. Next, add the photo that will be the center of attention. You can also use this trick to highlight your latest post and make people know there's something new waiting for them in your feed. Now it's time to add some text and play around with some styles and animation effects. To give it that polished look, don't forget to match the text with some colors from your photo and video. Don't be afraid to combine the styles. And there you have it, a fresh, good-looking and full of energy Instagram story. Let's jump to idea number 2. I will show you how to create a story that has that magazine cover look and feel. Import your picture and select from it the base color for your background. When you feel you have the perfect color, tap and hold until the screen fills up. Insert your image again. To create that 2 colors diagonal split, simply tap on the text icon, type in a single dot, choose the font style that adds a background to the text, and start typing in some blank spaces after it. After you select your preferred color, enlarge the text box and position it just like you see on the screen. Now we will create the text that sits on the blue half of the background. This will give your story that newspapery look. You just type in some text, you copy-paste it a bunch of times, you choose the font style that you like, and you position it on top of the blue side. All is left to do now is to add the main message. As I have a certain design in mind that will get me that magazine cover look, I will need a circle shape. If you ever wondered how to easily create the perfect colored circle in your stories without searching endlessly through all the stickers, there is actually a very easy way. Tap on the text option, type in a dot, bring it to the size you want and choose your favorite color. There you go, you have the perfect circle. From this point, all you need to do is add your main text and start positioning all the elements until you find the perfect fit to finalize your design. Here you have it, the final result for idea number 2, the glossy magazine look. Let's go to the last idea for your Instagram story. You can use this trick to bring some spark into a picture or shift the attention of your fans to a certain part of the image. Start by drawing a spiral around the object or the part of the image that you want to draw focus on. Go in and delete the part of the spiral that shouldn't be visible. Add your text. Next, I felt the story needed some movement, so I added in these cute stickers that match with the overall theme. And now comes the fun part. I wanted to add some elements to the spiral. As I didn't find a sticker that I liked, I used a PNG image of a simple white leaf. If you decide to also use a picture from your gallery, ensure that this image will have a transparent background. If you don't have any, check out this video, where I also show you how to simply remove the background from your picture by using a free app. So, I copy-pasted my white leaf several times into the story and arranged it around the spiral. This is the final masterpiece. If you decide to try any of these ideas out, please drop me a comment. I would love to see your results. If you want more inspiration, make sure to check out my next videos. Here is just a short sneak peek into episode 2.